relentless, it's untamed, unpathed, full of midges, full of deer. Is Knoydart, and it's a beast. Knoydart 2021, and we are off. Last year got put off because of coronavirus, typical, but we're finally here. 6 days, wild camping, just me, the world's heaviest rucksack, and some magic of Knoydart scenery. Three summits in the bag of the 6-day mega. The view is on point tonight. The sunset is going to be incredible. Have the tea on in a minute. Got a bit of the real Termat pulled pork, nice. And then for pudding, these are banged if you've never tried them. An LYO apple crumble, actually brilliant. Morning, start of day 2. What a night, the stars last night, incredible amount of stars. You can see the Milky Way, got some photos, magical night. This morning, views not so much. Not the best, but never mind. Tucking into breakfast now, which is a bit of real Termat chocolate muesli, can't go wrong. Then I'll pack up camp and be on my way. Down summit number 4, Sgurr Nan Coireachan. The views, not much still. Pretty bad, but I'm hoping this lovely ball of sun is going to burn through it soon. So, Sgurr Nan Coireachan. It's probably not quiche, but literally gives you a 360 view. Literally drop the mic. This terrain has got danger holes all in it. I don't like it. I've come down off Sgurr Nan Coireachan, is that right? So 1,034 metres straight down to 0, right at the bottom of the glen at sea level. And this horrible stuff has danger holes in it, which break your leg, what it feels like, doesn't it? That beast on. Tent is up, water's boiled for tea, there's a banging sunset here, what could be better. It's a little porch, every tent needs a cheeky washing line, shoes on. Morning, day 3, and the sunrise, pretty on point, weather's pretty beautiful. Just gonna have breakfast, break camp, and then be on our way. So now walking towards, and I can nail this Gaelic because I asked a Scottish person, Meall Buidhe. Pretty sure that's right. I hope it is. Apologies if it's not, but it's pretty close by my standards. So we're off on there. The weather is beaut. Cloud version behind. The sea that way. Oh, what a morning. Here it is. Meall Buidhe. Bood. What a summit. Views are incredible. Here goes nothing. Oh, it's very creaky. I'm going to stick to these bits where there's a... Oh, that one is completely rotten. Oh. Way survived the death bridge, as I've named it. Now onwards with more bog smashing. Excellent. Have a little jolly down by the sea now. Pass through Innervie, I think that's how you say it. Cute little village. And then now it's opened up into this. Just nothing again. Last few steps to the summit of lava, and there it is. Never been so happy to see a trig point on a summit in all my life. Big up, but mega day. The view is 360, camp is up, so all that's left to do now is go and chill out with Mother Nature. So we're off day 4, started walking, gonna crack on down to Barrisdale and then up Luinne Bheinn. I don't really sure how to say that one in Gaelic. The views are on point in Knoydart once again, looking spectacular. It's already boiling. It's polished off breakfast. I think these real termat meals are the best I've ever had, dehydrated ones. View, still on point. Doesn't matter which way I turn. It's a banging view. Of course, it isn't all fun and games. There's still laundry to be done, because it is hot and I am smelly. So I'm going to do a bit of me now. These are deep, buried by ferns. Welcome to Barrisdale Bay. Made it. What a place. Until you've done 4 days of mountain toilets, you don't understand the joy of this. The local just pop into Tesco. You go buy Chinook round here. So, the end of day 4, and the plan today was to camp up high on, I can't pronounce it, Meall Buidhe. But I got to Barrisdale and the loch was lovely, so I sat there, had a chill there for a few hours. So now I'm going to camp down low by the loch and then wake up super early, head up, try and catch sunrise and then crack on tomorrow. See you tomorrow for day 5. Morning campers, so it's got bright now, or light should I say. Out of Barrisdale, up through Mam Barrisdale. Seen a few deer. Cracking start to the day. So you get up at 4 AM, you follow your hunch that there could be a banging cloud inversion. And then, to be fair, Scotland has not disappointed. From Barrisdale Bay over Luinne Bheinn, sorry about the Gaelic, over that twice because I dropped my map, through to Sowerleys. So all that's left to do now is have some tea and enjoy the wonderful view of Scotland. Tent life. Sleeping bag. Got a little candle in the porch. Try and stop the midges. Now it's bedtime. Lights up. So we're heading out of Sowerleys now. You can see Sowerleys just behind me. There it is. Bothy's around there somewhere. And we're now heading up into Glen Desiree. Let's go see how beautiful that is. But yeah, so we're just gonna have some lunch now, have a little rest, have a chill, and then crack on with the rest of Glen Desiree past the lodge this afternoon. So yeah, meanwhile, with Mother Nature for lunch. I've also been using these real energy drinks. They're pretty decent to be fair. You either put water in this bag, or you put it in your water bowl, and it makes the water taste nice, and it's got calories in it, so like electrolytes and stuff. So brilliant, really, pretty handy. So that's it. Made it to nearly the end of Glen Desiree. We've done all the mountain part now, as I call it. And now we've just got to head down effectively a Scottish main road to the end of Glen Desiree. But I can safely say that it's been incredible, absolutely incredible. So a few Ks down this road now, pretty easy kilometres compared to Knoydart itself. And then we're back to the car. So, all in all, not bad. We're back. One corner to go. We're back to the car. 124 kilometres-ish. Over 6,500 metres of climbing. But what an adventure.